We are here with Matt. We are reviewing the TerraLight fire starting piston from Wilderness Solutions. So Matt, pick that up and let's take a look at it. Show me the different components of it.
So we have the fire piston here. On the bottom here is a quarter turn vent, which will come into handy a little bit later as I show you. You have the piston itself that goes down in, and then here on the top is a unique little pouch that comes with a spare set of O-rings as well as a solar lens. And down inside is a third fire starting mechanism, a piece of flint and steel that it comes with. So with built into this fire starter, you actually have 3 different fire starters to get a fire going.
Okay, good. And Matt, why would you choose this type of fire starter over any other type of fire starter, specifically the piston portion?
Well, the TerraLight itself is resistant to wind, it's resistant to water. You can have this product fully submerged in water, which we've done and tested. Pull it out, shake it off a little bit, and get an ember going right off the bat. The way it works is just off of compression. You put a little piece of tinder down here, and you put it down in here, and you hit it really hard and really quick, and out comes an ember.
So Matt, what if you run out of the kind of tinder that he ships it with? Then what would you do?
So as I mentioned, he does send it with some of this char cloth. Jeff himself over at Wilderness Solutions let us know he does sell a char cloth making kit. In your package you will get some of that char cloth, some of that jute fiber as well. But if you do run out, you can buy that kit from him, or you can use many different varieties of tinder that you can find in the wild. Some of the popular ones here we have are the cotton fluff that flies around this time of year, or as well you can get the cattail fluff that you can find around lakey areas, swampy areas. Many types of mold and mainly any hollow tinder that you can find will work in this. We even tried dryer lint just to see if it worked, and it worked great for us.
All right, Matt, thanks for the overview. Let's go start a fire. You can see the main components of this fire starting kit. The piston out of machined aluminum, the charcoal cloth that we're going to use inside of the piston, and the jute that we're going to use for tinder to light with the started char cloth. Matt ripped a small piece of char cloth off of the char cloth provided, put it in the end of the plunger, then placed it into the piston and gave it a firm, fast slap. Pull it out and you can see that there's a nice ember in the char cloth. He then laid that ember on top of an existing piece of char cloth, laid the tinder on top of it, and quickly had a nice fire. As Matt mentioned earlier, many other kind of material also worked inside of the piston, from dryer lint to cotton. Any kind of hollow tinder worked really well to light a fire. All right, we showed you how that fire starter worked, and Matt was able to get an ember almost every time he struck that and was easily able to start a fire. So Matt, wrap it up for us. Why do you like this thing, and why do you think it's something that everybody should have?
As you can see in the video, it was a really windy day here. It would definitely been difficult to use matches to get a fire going. It's a great opportunity for this product to work and to shine. It's a good product to have either as your primary fire starter or your secondary fire starter in case of weather or wind. Definitely a great product. I think Wilderness Solutions hit it right on the head with the TerraLight.
All right, cool, thanks, and you can read more about it on ireviewgear.com.